Hey, what's up guys? Hope you don't mind, I kind of skipped through the wiring process a little bit. I know no one really likes to watch that. It's kind of a slow process, but moving on. Next up is the exhaust. I'm working with the old exhaust pipe. It's all rusted out, but that's what I got to do. I don't really have access to any new pipe, at least not that size at the moment. I've called around to a bunch of places and they don't have the exact same size pipe. I found a pipe that's a little bit larger, and I don't have the capability to bend it, so I can use straight pieces of it. And so what I'm going to do basically is cut sections of the old pipe and use the bends that exist in that pipe to basically route the new pipe, and then using the new pipe I'm going to create straight sections towards where the muffler's at, if that makes sense. So it's not ideal, but it's going to work. And then I'm going to coat it with a high temp coating afterwards and wrap it in some header wrap. I think it's going to turn out nice, so stick around to the end and check out the final product, see how it turns out. So I need to make an exhaust tube coming from this exhaust outlet port here, coming through and dropping down. So what I did, I started off by making some pie cuts on this exhaust tube to make a 90-degree. You can see now it's gonna bolt up there. I'm gonna have to cut it probably right around here somewhere. And that's where the new tube's gonna weld on. I still have yet to name this project. So if you have any name suggestions, leave it in the comments. And also if there's any weird or cool things you'd like to see me put on this build, put those suggestions in the comments. I'm open to any ideas you have. You know, I'm gonna put a roll cage on here and some lights and stuff like that, but if you have anything cool, like, you know, some type of bumper or like a bed that can detach or something like that, you know, any kind of crazy ideas you come up with, you want me to think about putting on, drop it in the comments. And if it's doable, then maybe I'll do it. All right, thanks for watching. And as always, if you like the video, you know, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and if you haven't already subscribed, let me know what you guys think, and see you in the next video.